What happened? Bro. Why are you recording me? Stop. Let me eat alone, bro. Chill. Talk to my brother. Yo, chill. I thought.